night in the winter, how it goes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away.
What's up guys, this is Ken from Tech Open back again with another video. This time to show you a product from a company called Hohem. This is the Hohem GO. This was sent to me by the company Hohem for review, so keep that in mind. This will be, however, a very unbiased opinion. I'm going to give you a straightforward opinion on this. What is this? This is a 2-axis AI tracking holder for your phone or for your tablet. This could be really useful for anyone doing online content, video calls, meetings, I don't know, cooking classes, anything like that where you need to have your movement tracked. The main feature, the main characteristic that sets this apart from other devices is the fact that it doesn't need the camera of your phone to work. So it has its own inbuilt camera for tracking, has AI, and you can activate or deactivate the movement just by hand gestures. Doing this symbol or this one to stop, this one to start. That's pretty cool. I think this will be really, really useful, like I said, for online content, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok videos. Anyone that's doing TikTok videos and has that issue of being constantly looking at the camera to make sure that they're in frame, this will help you because it will track you. Even if you shift slightly to the side from one side to the other, the camera will easily track you. As long as you don't jump too fast out of frame or anything like that, or else it will lose you like other gimbals would. A really useful little tool, guys, and I'm gonna show you how simple it is to work with this. It's another feature that this has. You don't need an app to control it. You don't need Bluetooth. It's just simple gestures and using the inbuilt camera. Super useful tool. Okay guys, so let's check out the Hohem GO. So, comes off. Okay, so in the box you get a user manual, as you can see. So size is 90 millimeters by 93, weighs 300 grams. Materials PC plus ABS, 2-axis tracking. Phone thickness supported less than 13 millimeters. Okay, so anything over 13 millimeters thick won't fit. And tablet size, anything under 11 inches without case, of course. You have a 3.7 volt, 2000 milliamp hour battery. Operating time, 10 hours, 7 hours if you're tracking. Controllable range, the pan is 360 degrees. Wow, I didn't even know it went that far. You have tilt, which is minus 15 degrees to plus 15 degrees. Okay, that's the manual. So if you do the OK sign to turn on smart tracking and to turn off, you would show your hand like this. Make sure that both gesture and face are shown in front of AI sensor. The best distance of gesture control is between 0.5 and 1.5 meters or 1.6 to 5 feet. Best tracking distance range is 0.5 meters to 3 meters away from the Go. And here it is. Wow, that's shiny. That looks cool. Wow, actually looks really nice. Okay, so here you can see the device. First feel in the hand, it feels well built, although it is all plastic. It has weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap, although it is plastic, of course. You do have this chrome like mirrored finish to make sure that you're in frame. You have the power button here, you have the USB charging port here, USB-C. And then you have this little mechanism, which I thought was to block the tracking mode, but it's actually to tighten your device here. So you have these little rubber protection thingies here. You have a little place where you can place your thumbs, your fingers, so you can pull your phone out, make it easier to pull it out, I guess. And then you also have here on the bottom part a thread, so you can mount this on a tripod if you like. And that's a very welcome feature, so you can have this on a tripod. It would be like almost mandatory to have for a device like this. And it does, luckily, gladly it does. Then you have the little power button here, which you would press to power on. And it turns blue, which is in standby mode. Also inside the box, I think you should have some charging cable, I guess, hopefully. Yes, there is a charging cable here. No charging brick, however. So you get this little charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. This is what, 30 centimeters, I guess? Good quality cable. And you would connect it back here. So as you can see, this whole top section rotates, I guess. Okay guys, now let's test out the gesture control, which is how this works. So you're gonna do an OK sign, and you can see that as I move, it tracks me. So I'm moving side to side in my room, And you can see it goes all the way. It only stutters a little bit because of the tripod, because I'm walking behind the tripod, which makes it a little bit more difficult for it to track. So you have to make sure there's nothing in front of you, but it works pretty well. And you can see the tilt. I'm sitting down now. Now I'm standing up. And that's more or less how much it tilts. That's the 15-degree plus minus tilt. So I could be speaking and now I just get up and it would track me. Now going to the right, going back to the left again. It lost me there because of the tripod. Now I got back to the camera, coming back, and it's tracking me. You know, as long as you're not moving too fast and there's no, yeah, it lost me there because of the tripod. Now, as you can see, the light turns green when it catches onto you again. If it turns blue, you can tell that it's lost the tracking. Okay, now it's following pretty well. I'm gonna sit down now and you can see it lowers, going back up again. Yeah, it works pretty fine. Just have to make sure there's nothing in front of the camera. And you can see it tracks pretty well. It can move. It kind of loses me right here behind this light, but as soon as I pop in, it starts tracking again with no issue whatsoever. And if I crouch down, stand up, crouch, that works pretty well. Now let's pick up the movement a little bit, see if it kind of loses me. Down, up. Vertical movement is a little bit tougher for it to work, but it does work. Okay, let's try and lose it. Okay, now it loses me here behind the lights, but as soon as I pop in, it's now tracking me again. See? And it's stuttering a little bit there. Stand up again. Still tracking. Way back here, it also tracks me. Yeah, works well, guys. And in order to stop tracking, you just raise your hand like this. Now it's not tracking anymore. Do this. Now it's tracking again. Yeah, this is cool, guys. Stop. Okay, it's not tracking anymore. Do this, it's now tracking again. Up close. Yeah, works well, guys. Stop. No more. Now, it does work if you have very low lighting. It will still work, it will still track you. However, in terms of gestures, it won't track as well. It will have more difficulty in recognizing your hand in like lower lights. So keep that in mind. It will track you, not in complete darkness, of course. And if it gets too dark, it won't be able to see the contour of your hand to recognize any hand gestures. So keep that in mind. Now, besides that, it's well built. It can easily fit in your bag if you're traveling or for work or for school. Who would this device be perfect for? Let's say anyone doing cooking classes, online content, like I already mentioned, for TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, video content for your YouTube channel. I even have a friend of mine he's really good at dancing. He does like ballroom dancing, Latino dancing and all that. And he's thinking of starting some classes. And I'm actually gonna suggest him to do those types of online classes, you know, dance classes, which he could actually have a lot of success with. And one of these little devices would actually be practical for him to do those videos because he can be dancing, moving around the room, and it'll track him. Pretty awesome. Another thing to keep in mind is if you have any obstacle between you and the camera, it does tend to lose you, of course. Okay, it gets a little bit confused there, but as long as there's no obstacles between you and the camera, it works perfectly fine, okay? And as long as you don't do like super fast movements out of frame, it'll track you easily. It's a really cool device, not expensive, easy to work with, simple, and it does what it promises. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. I hope it may help you make your decision on whether to purchase this device or not. Would I personally recommend this device? Yes, I would. Based on the price, the features you get, simplicity, build quality, battery life, and movement and what it does, I definitely recommend this, guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave your thumbs up. Leave any comments regarding this device if you think it's useful or not. Would you buy this or not yourself? I'd really like to hear your opinion on this. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave your thumbs up. That's a huge help for the channel, guys, to boost this video. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.